On a tip off, BSF 64 Battalion seized 3,300 bottles of illegal cough syrup from an abandoned house in Petropol area in the Indo-Bangladesh border. The market value of the seized material was Rs 6 lakhs in Indian currency. According to sources, the material was stored to be smuggled to Bangladesh. The accused was produced at the Bonga court today.